So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today we're going to install this room. This room is called Caos or CEOS, I think. So this is now the installation. First, boot your phone into recovery mode by pressing the power button, volume up, and home button at the same time. This is still the same in all of my tutorials, whether you are using TWRP or any different types of recovery. Boot your phone guys by pressing the power button, volume up, and home button at the same time for all I think Samsung G7 Prime. Yeah, this is not the G7 Prime Y or SMG610Y. So here you go, this is my recovery, which is Orange Fox recovery. This is a stable version 11 by Astraco. So credits to Astraco, and now this is now the UI. And then the second step guys is you need to delete or wipe all of your data, but not including the internal storage. So I already tried, there is no errors when you are not wiping your internal storage. So don't wipe your internal storage, just wipe Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, and data. There you go, you see in the video, and then swipe to wipe, and then you just wait that until it's successful, and then press back button, and then there you go, go back to where your files located, and then there you go, my files located. And then the first zip you need to install is create vendor 2.0. That is necessary guys. You need to flash the create vendor 2.0, and then reboot your phone into recovery mode. So the Orange Fox recovery logo again, and then the second step you need to install is the room, and then select the room as partition into system image. You don't need to boot recovery or vendor because this is a large file. This is intended for system image. And then you just need to wait until the image flash successfully. So I hope this video is clearer because I shoot this at night. So I hope you appreciate this video and give a thumbs up, and also please share this video into your social platforms. And here, image flash completed, and then the final zip is the H vendor, which is the kernel. Yeah, this is now our kernel for Android 10. Anyway, this room is based on Android 10, and there are no GApps or Google included in this room. But if you want Google apps, please download what is this file? Oh my god, Pico, I think Pico or Nano, something like that. I maybe include the link in my description for that GApps intended. So after that thing is you need to reboot your phone. There you go, the CEOS logo, CAOS, I think. This is Android 10 guys, and we will see if it is booted. Oh, there you go, the H vendor logo, and as you can see, there is a navigation bar at the bottom, bottom, at the bottom. The room is quite smooth and responsive. There you go, they bloatwares. As you can see, there is no, as I said earlier, there is no Google Apps included. You need to flash it manually. I will include the links in my description, and we will now go to the about phone of this room. So there, about device name, guys, is based on Samsung S20, and that is based on the Edge vendor, because the Edge vendor is based on S20, Samsung Galaxy S20. So there you go, the Android version is Android 10, and the security patch is July 5, 2020. This may be outdated, but still it is Android 10 and it boots successfully to our device. Yeah, July 5, 2020. And there is no way to customize this room, I think, like the other room I use. There you go, the PHH settings, which has the features, Samsung features, miscellaneous, those features. And there you go. If you want to disable the navigation bar, go to miscellaneous features under PHH settings. Click the force navigation bar, disable, and reboot or restart your device. But I know there are a lot of users there who want a on-screen navigation bar. I can still use that while using the navigation bar. Also, the capacity buttons is working. So there you go, another features. This is now the quick settings of this room. There's quite few icons out there, and the dark theme is working. Also the night light is also working here, and there are few icons here, unlike the other room I use. Anyway, final added information, this room is a GSI, so expect that offline charging is not working, and also for Indian users, VoLTE is broken. So there you go, guys. You need to restart after clicking the force navigation bar disable. You need to restart your device. And then yeah, that's all for today. See you next video. Have a good day. Good night. And also don't forget to hit like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also please consider clicking the notification bell for you to be able updated whenever I upload a new video. See you next week. See you next week ba? See you next video. Bye!